Service in Phoenix has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Maricopa County in south central Arizona until 9:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 8:40 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Wickenburg, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wickenburg. This includes a Highway 60 between mile markers 99 and 118. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Maricopa, Arizona,